Hi guys, it's me Reagan, and today I'm doing a makeup tutorial for Elizabeth Taylor as Cleopatra, very famous and classic movie. I'll show you guys how I got this look, and if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe below. Let's get into the video. I'm going to start off by mixing my colors. She had a lot of blue all the way up to the brow line. Taking this dark blue, I'm just putting it in this bowl. I have this GloMinerals palette, Glow Eyeshadow Magazine. Taking my Sugar Baby eyeshadow. I'm going to start off with my primer. I have Linda Ontiveros eye primer. I'm going to move on to the 3 different shadows that I mixed before this. Doing my whole lid, going up to the brow line. I'm going to do a line that goes along my nose here. I go up to the brow. I'll end up cleaning up that line here, but I know to go out this end here, so I'm going out with this blue, the end of my eyebrow. Go to the end, draw this line straight, and fill in just a little bit. Spots that seem lighter than the rest, to get just a little bit of blue on the tip and right here. Obviously not in your eye, but on the outside, the corner of your eye right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with an eyeliner brush, and I'm going to create an eyeliner just to get the basic lines. Then I'm going to fill it in with a liquid eyeliner, and I have Kat Von D's tattoo liner. For the created eyeshadow liner, I'm going to use GloMinerals Shadow Magazine. This is a makeup artist palette. First palette, there's a black shadow right there, which is what I'm going to use. Now I'm taking my eyeliner brush and I'm dipping it in my water. I'm going to take that black, got it on the tip, and I'm going to start here with this. She has it literally all the way around. I'm going to start off with this thin line. I'm going to go around again. A little bit higher this time. I'm going to go higher and higher. I'm going to come to the corner. I'm going to go underneath my bottom eyelid now to get that small black line and start thickening this line. Now that line already seems pretty thick, but hers was even thicker than that. I'm going to go up just a little bit more. I'm going to use this curved eyeliner brush, and I'm going to start off with the bottom line. I'm going to go up, out, and up. I'm going to go down and up with the top line. Now I'm kind of filling this in as I'm going. This is when I'm going to meet up to my brow and go down. Right to this blue, going to fill that in. Going to come down. But I'm cleaning it up a little bit and bringing it up to the brow. I'm going to fill in with the Kat Von D's. Go over, start filling it in. This part you're going to want to go very slow because you don't want to go over the lines you already created. I'm going to come in the corner just a tad. On the inside of the lid without going into your eye, and then come down under your eye. and onto the bottom lid. I'm going to fill in the wing on the end. I'm going to start off by going along the outer lines, and then I'm going to fill in the middle. So the top line. Ended up thickening this line just a little bit so that it met with the top line of the wing. I'm going to do this end curve. It wings out a little bit just on the curve. I'm going to start going straight, and at the end I'm going to curve out a little bit like that, and I'll meet it with this bottom line. Perfect. Okay, now I'm just filling in the middle so that it's all filled in and dark. Cleaning up this end. I'm liking the fact that it's a tad thicker than hers, so I'm going to leave it. Time to make sure that they're even. This one. Now, I'm going to move on to foundation. I'm taking my Luxe Liquid Foundation from Glow. I'm going to have to take a boatload. Make sure to go on the outer parts of your face, don't miss that, and underneath. Cleaned up my eyebrows, my nose. I'm gonna put over that this GloMinerals Sheer Tint Base. I'm gonna get a new applicator sponge for that. Dab it. And make sure it's getting rubbed in this particular area right there where I'm having an issue. I'm gonna really blot it. On the apples of her cheek, only on the lower part is some light blush, and then under that they actually contoured with darker blush. I have this GloMinerals, and it's called Rush Blush. And then I have Linda Ontiveros blush, which is a little bit lighter. Just gonna go along right here, my cheekbone. Get this darker glow blush. So I'm gonna go like this. So I can see this line, and I'm gonna go along that line. It's very dark, so we're gonna clean that up. I'm going to take a sponge and I'm going to go along it a little bit because there's too much. Just a little bit, and I'm going to flush it out. Make sure it doesn't go too far over here. This one is good, but this one is a little far. I'm going to finish it off with that light blush just a little bit again. I'm going to get one stroke of it. I'm going to barely go over. Most of the time I would have started off with my eyebrows, but this time I just wanted to make sure that I got the eyes done first. So I'm just going along with this brow gel. It's GloMinerals. It's a brown, and I'm going to darken it up. This is holding them into place and darkening them a little bit, but I want to darken them even more. I'm taking that same black from earlier that I used for the eyeliner, and I'm going to use that for my brows. I'm using mascara, and I'm using my Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. I'm going to finish off my mascara with the Colossal Volume Express by Maybelline. The last thing actually is the lips. They actually looked just like a normal pink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Lilly, it's a lip gloss by GloMinerals. I'm gonna rub my lips together. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like it, comment below to say what you'd like to see next time, and subscribe. Bye!